Hello and a very warm welcome. I'm Himanshi Tiwari and we are joining you from the India Energy Week 2026 right now.
I'm at BASF and joining me today is Christian Peters, Vice President, Chemical Market Catalysts at BASF.
Thank you so much, Christian, for joining us.
Himanshi, thank you so much for the invitation. Really appreciate it.
All right, so we are here at IEW 2026. We are at your booth and we have been over the past few days, 2-3 days, we've been talking a lot about India's energy transition and a lot of apparently a lot of news is there, a lot of momentum is there in this event. Talk to us about what are you showcasing at this edition of the India Energy Week 2026?
Of course, happy to do so. So basically, the headline of the India energy mix is that it's so diverse, right? And India is driving into many, many directions. And that's very much fitting in what you see here. So basically, we're showcasing everything to do with catalysts. We started refining catalysts. So we are supporting the FCC units. And we're also here with a team from chemical catalysts and adsorbents. So we support LNG, we support refineries, crackers, but also into more modern technologies such as sustainability, off-gas treatment, and so on and so on.
Yeah, no, of course, there's a lot about technology also in this India Energy Week that we have been talking about. I saw there was something regarding technology that you're showcasing at this booth. Can you please take us through that and what it is all about?
Yeah, I can maybe quickly pitch it. We are here at the right location. So you see, this is our sulfuric acid solution. So when you want to have a catalyst to produce sulfuric acid, this is one very, very good solution. And now we walk over there to see the next generation, because this is a 3D printed catalyst solution. So this is truly the latest. I brought you a model here. This is not the real catalyst, but just a model. And we're very proud to really support the customers in India with this new shape of catalyst, which is essentially helping to spend less energy, which is the theme of the conference, and makes our customers in India much more successful.
Well, the tagline is "We create chemistry" for BASF, right? So how are you creating that chemistry with the India's energy sector?
Yeah, the tagline is "We create chemistry," and if you extend it, we create chemistry for a sustainable future, which is what Catalyst is all about, right? So when you say catalyst, you say, okay, I create the chemistry, I enable reactions, I need less energy, and I help our customers to actually produce the chemicals that they want at the lowest potential OPEX, CAPEX, and also energy spent.
All right, so when you go back from India Energy Week 2026, what are those key takeaways you are taking yourself with? Along with that, what are your future plans now after being a part of IEW 2026? What are you thinking? What is the direction the company is heading to?
Yeah, so what I'm personally very excited about during this week was really the optimization. Because in my global role, I have the pleasure of attending such conferences all around the world. Right now, the chemical industry is in very tough situation, and also so is the energy sector overall. But here, it was really great to talk to the partners, to talk to the clients, and everybody really has a very clear direction into the future. I really like it that India stays course. I've been here last year already, and this year it's the message, yeah, okay, times are tough, but we pushed through this, which I think is really great, and we want to be part of this. So we, with our local team here, our local presence, want to be really supporting our customers in creating the chemistry that they want.
All right, so while we are here, you know, all the stakeholders are walking through the aisles of IEW 2026. What is that one message you want to leave them with?
We are here to support, we're here to listen, and we have things like X3D, which is really the latest and greatest. So we are the only ones in the catalyst industry who can 3D print catalysts in a variety of different applications. So we are really happy to talk about this and help our customers get through tough times.
The catalysts of the catalyst industry. Well, thank you so much for being a part of this session. And to our viewers, stay tuned for many, many more such conversations only at ET Energy World while we join you from the India Energy Week 2026.